This is not all that Congress is facing heat for today. Yasin Malik, who's serving life sentence in a terror funding case, has now made explosive claims. He says he was asked to hold talks with terrorists during his Pakistan visit and that former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh at the time had personally thanked him for meeting terrorists like Hafiz Saeed, the Lashkar-e-Taiba founder and 26/11 Mumbai attacks mastermind in 2006. Yasin Malik has made these claims in an affidavit submitted to the Delhi High Court in August. So let me just break down what he has claimed in this affidavit. For many, this is not new news, but now this is on a legal paper. He says he was asked to engage in dialogue with then Pakistan Prime Minister and Lashkar Chief Hafiz Saeed. The meeting was held on the pretext that militancy and peace dialogues cannot go in tandem given the recent bomb blasts in the country. He then mentioned in the affidavit that when he returned from Pakistan, he was asked to brief then Prime Minister Manmohan Singh by IB officials. He briefed Mr. Singh and also appraised him on the possibilities, following which he says Manmohan Singh conveyed his gratitude for his efforts and dedication. But if this wasn't enough, just today, Congress Overseas Chief Sam Pitroda made matters worse for the Grand Old Party by not only questioning India's foreign policy, especially for the neighborhood, but also claiming that India needs to improve ties with its neighbor, adding that when he visited Pakistan, he felt like home.
Our foreign policy, according to me, must first focus on our neighborhood. Can we really substantially improve relationship with our neighbors? They are all small. They all need help. They are all going through difficult times. And there is no need to fight. Of course, there is a problem of violence. Of course, there is a problem of terrorism and all that is there. But at the end of the day, in that neighborhood, there is common gene pool. I've been to Pakistan, and I must tell you, I felt at home. I've been to Bangladesh. I've been to Nepal, and I feel at home. I don't feel like I'm in foreign country. They look like me, they talk like me, they like my songs, they eat my food, okay? So I must learn to live with them in peace and harmony. That's my first priority.
Is the onus on India to live with countries like Pakistan in peace and harmony, or is Pakistan the problem? Why the onus on India? And does this not expose Congress's Pak love further? Remember, just recently, a Pakistani cricketer wanted Rahul Gandhi in charge at the helm of affairs. Let's take that to our guests joining us. Rohan Gupta and Garima Dasani continue with us. Lalit Amadar is Kashmiri activist with us. Tausif also continues with us. Lalit, I want to begin with you. It's not completely unknown what Yasin Malik has now put in a legal affidavit. First of all, how does it make you feel that all of this was going on, not just in, under UPA? This was the tradition that was carried on by many governments even before him.
Like you rightly said, we're not surprised. We knew it all along. The pro-Pakistan, pro-Islamist ecosystem has been so strong in India that even the Prime Minister of India was obliged to receive this jihadi who should have been hanged 30 years ago, to receive me in his office and congratulate him and thank him for having met Hafiz Saeed. Can you imagine? This is what the kind of rot that Indian system has undergone. And about Yasin Malik, he is the founder of gun culture in Kashmir. He's the founder of Pakistan Kashmir Jihad in Kashmir. All along, he's the one who started, who is responsible for having killed the Indian Air Force officers.
Yes.
Forget about genocide of Kashmiri Hindus that was executed right under the watch of Yasin Malik. The Indian state tolerated the massacre of unarmed, non-combatant Air Force officers by these jihadis. And the Prime Minister of India was receiving them. And I'm not even again surprised because the then Congress has been always Pakistan apologetic. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, so-called Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, the author of two-nation theory, was taught to us as reformer. Muhammad Iqbal, who founded the Pakistan, who gave the philosophical foundation of Pakistan, is taught in every university in India as if he's our national poet. He is not even declared, he is an undeclared national point of India. This is the kind of system, and in spite of Narendra Modi having taken such a historical decision on that momentous day of 5th of August 2019, when that regressive and obnoxious constitutional arrangement that saw Kashmiri separatism flourish, that saw Kashmir Jihad launch, that saw Kashmiri Hindus genocide, that legislation, constitutional arrangement was abolished. Even in spite of that, years have passed. Kashmiri Hindus continue to be denied what they suffered was genocide, because the
Right.
ecosystem is so entrenched in the system. And I think I'm not surprised. I hope and pray that India awakens up. What we have on hand in Kashmir is Kashmir Jihad. And I repeat, Kashmir is not only the target. Their target is Lal Qilla and Delhi. When you talk about Ghazwa-e-Hind, Kashmir is only a passage to reach Delhi. I hope and pray India understands it and Congress is exposed to the point. I just want one more add. Can you imagine when Kashmiri Hindus were being hounded out by these JKLF goons in Kashmir, and Rajiv Gandhi was informed by MJ Akbar. This I'm quoting MJ Akbar. See what is happening to Kashmiri Hindus in Kashmir. And Rajiv Gandhi says, what can we do? Farooq Saab is the Chief Minister of Kashmir. Can you imagine? Prime Minister of my country is being helpless in doing anything for being Kashmiri Hindus
You know,
who are being
what you're
hounded out
pointing
by the
out to-
JKLF or Hizbul Mujahideen cadre in Kashmir.
No, but Lalit, what you're pointing out to, I think not just the fact that Pakistan has been trying to woo Kashmiris and sow the seeds of separatism. I think even the Indian state is responsible for the othering of Kashmir because they didn't wake up in time. They have been neglecting the issues that have been
Exactly.
festering in Kashmir for too long, and I think both sides of the coin must take some responsibility. But of course, who was in power for those 50, 60 years when all of this was festering is the big question. But today, Garimaji, the question to you is this. You know, I find it very amusing that when Operation Sindoor debate was happening, even in Parliament, Congress was like, why did you let Pakistan off the hook? Why did you stop this military action against Pakistan? Right? That is what Congress wanted to corner this government on. But look at what its own governments were doing. They were talking with Hafiz Saeed, who later executed 26/11 massacre in Mumbai. And today, even today, Sam Pitroda says, you know, we've got to live in peace and harmony with Pakistan because we are the problem. Our policy is the problem. Narendra Modi's policy is the problem. So can you explain to me what is your stand? You wanted Operation Sindoor to continue, or is it true that you wanted it to continue when actually the political leaders have this view that we should talk to Pakistan?
Shivani, can you please give me a patient hearing like
Sure.
My good friend, I think his memory is short-lived because just recently we had a massacre in Pahalgam, and where in front of the families, 40 people were point blank, they were murdered. Then historic decision of Narendra Modi, will he applaud that of playing cricket match with Pakistan? Isn't that also a historic decision, my friend? And tell me one thing, what was Mr. Lal Krishna Advani's visit to Jinnah's grave, a pilgrimage of some sort? What was Narendra Modi's offering an invite to Nawaz Sharif for the swearing-in ceremony? What was Ajit Doval's bilateral talks going on even after Uri and Pulwama? What was that? So let's not twist words. Sam Pitroda has appreciated, or he has just praised Pakistan on the basis of cultural and linguistic similarity. He has not praised Pakistan's state policies. And let me be very clear, Congress has always stood firmly against terrorism in every form. We have lost two of our own Prime Minister, Indira Ji and Rajiv Ji, and we know the pain. No other party in India has paid a higher and a bigger price than that. So how can you imagine, you can just instigate people by saying that.
No,
Today,
but ma'am,
my
why
leader,
is
my
Sam
chairman-
Pitroda taking away the onus of peace and harmony from Pakistan and putting it on India? He should be saying, we want peace. India has always been peaceful, but till Pakistan mends its ways, we can't have peace.
Shivani, my chairman of media, Mr. Pawan Khera, has in a very chronological order tweeted today, and he has posted a photograph of Mr. Late Atal Bihari Vajpayee with the Hurriyat leaders. He has said that in 2011, when BJP was not even in power, the RSS leaders met this Yasin Malik. And Yasin Malik, we all should remember, is the convicted terrorist. So
he was
we-
convicted
should
only
we-
now. He wasn't convicted in your era. He was meeting the PM at that time.
That is the time. That is the time they should revisit history. In 2007, he wanted to take out a march, Freedom March, Safar-e-Azadi, and we arrested him. Our government arrested him on 5th of May.
But he was
And
a
then
glorified
Mr. Atal
prisoner,
Bihari Vajpayee
enjoying all fruits
intervened with
of
the
Indian
UPA
state.
government,
He wasn't
making
suffering
sure
under
that
those
the Freedom
arrests.
March-
Ma'am, till 2019, JKLF and Hurriyat-led shutdowns were a reality in Kashmir. But one second, both Rohan and others want to come in, but yes, Lalit,
This is the modus operandi. This is the modus operandi of BJP, that whenever there is a core issue, they want to avoid and ignore.
then your
And
leaders shouldn't
just-
be making these comments.
Just yesterday, Mr. Rahul Gandhi has done a press conference. They just want to avoid that. So
But
they
ma'am,
are-
this diversion,
Every
so as to
time they
speak,
bring up an issue,
isn't coming
why
from the
after
BJP.
2
Your own
decades?
leader has
Why after
spoken.
2 decades?
Your
I mean,
own
this
leader
kind
has
of
to give a
violence
bite at
talks
this
has been
time.
going on
When
in
your
Pakistan,
entire
Nepal,
party,
with
actually
Bangladesh and every
you
regime.
ask a very good question, Garima ji. When your entire party and its top face is focused on pinning down the BJP on the issue of vote chori, why does Sam Pitroda have to come and say anything about Pakistan? That question
What
should
Sam
go to him.
Petroda said- See, Shivani, what Sam Petroda said is not about endorsing Pakistan or its policies. It is about
I think it's
acknowledging
open. It's
cultural
open for
bonds
interpretation,
across
ma'am.
South Asia.
Even after
See,
Pahalgam and
the need
Operation
for
Sindoor,
peace.
if he says
He's
this,
just saying there is a need for peace with our neighborhood.
yes,
And
but who is he
every
putting
prime
the onus
minister-
on?
Every prime minister has been doing that.
Lalit first, 30 seconds, then Rohan and Tasi. Yes.
Yes, let me remind I'm not talking about getting the party politics. In fact, when Advani wrote that comment at Jinnah's Mazar, right? He wrote his political obituary. He went to oblivion after that. Don't forget about it. And also let me remind you, and when a partition took place, Congress acceded to Jinnah's blackmail. Even after that Noakhali massacre of Hindus, when vultures were eating the corpse of Hindus on the streets of Bengal for days together. In spite of that, Congress, Mahatma Gandhi and Congress gave 50 crore rupees as aid to Pakistan. When trains full of massacred Hindu and Sikhs were coming from Pakistan. And listen, knowing Pakistan was created for only Muslims and Muslims alone, Jawaharlal Nehru and Congress abandoned Hindus and Sikhs to the mercy of Pakistani Islamists. 24% population is now reduced to 2% in Pakistan and 16-12% in Bangladesh. You know, 10 साल की लड़की को अगवा करके ले जाते हिंदू लड़की को. Following day, Mia Muthu, he specializes in converting Hindu girls. He comes in front of the camera that Musliman ban gayi hai, and we are chup. And Nehru and Congress, Nehru signed that Liaquat Ali Khan pact.
Let's-
Pact.
one
You
second,
take
one
off
second.
your Muslims, we take over Hindus,
No,
we
the
take care of
wounds
Muslims.
of Kashmir,
Muslims
Lalit-
in India are flourishing, and Hindus suffer genocide
even-
right under India's
let me tell you-
constitution.
Okay, one second.
40
Can I
years
just
after
say,
Sabha
I
was
address,
announced in
one second,
Kashmir.
please. One second.
In Kashmir.
The wounds of Kashmir are just too long and too far, to be addressed fully as far as this debate is concerned. So just respectfully, I want to come back to the subject. Rohan, the Congress today is saying, you keep pointing out to some of these statements, but you are in power. Show us how effective your foreign policy has been. Despite all of the strong posturing and the changes from UPA era, nobody can deny that our policy has changed towards Pakistan since UPA 2. But what results have we got? We've not been able to mend their ways. We haven't been able to live peacefully with them. Attacks are still happening. Deaths are still happening. So what have we achieved?
Shivani, first of all, we have not forced Mr. Sam Pitroda to give this statement. So Congress party statement should ask Mr. Sam Pitroda why he has made such statement. Other thing, Shivani, very good question. What has changed? The change is that now we have power to go inside the Pakistan and hit the terrorists who have killed our people. The change is we have power to now attack the military establishments from there. They are attacking us. This is the change. And that's why Pakistan loves Congress party. That Ilu is exposed in front of the country. And this is the reason why during Operation Sindoor, the statement of Congress party and Pakistan were same. On the media of Pakistan channel, the Congress leaders were the heroes. And now Congress party is reciprocating their love through Mr. Sam Pitroda. He's not a small leader. He's part of the think tank of Mr. Rahul Gandhi, who decide the policy of Congress party. So I think this is the party now which is completely exposed. Whether it is Yasin Malik statements or Sam Pitroda statement, the mindset of Congress party is quite visible. They love Pakistan. They say, Mr. Sam Pitroda, why to fight with Pakistan? They need our support. They are killing our people, and you are saying that they need our support. I think this is really shameful for Congress party.
They are
And rather
killing
than
our people
defending
and
him,
you want
he
to
should have been
take
sacked today.
match
He
with
should have
them.
been again sacked.
They're killing
Mind
our
you,
people. That
he is
time
the
they're
one
not killing
leader
our people
who has
when
been
you
sacked
are
twice.
playing
He
match
should
with
be
them.
sacked
The
today.
whole
This is
country was
absolutely no
against this
compromise on this.
decision of
What
Narendra
are you
Modi.
talking? Is this the country?
What are
This
you
was the
talking?
time, in
The
the
whole
time of
country,
your time,
90%
Hurriyat
of the
leaders,
citizens
they were
of
the
this
king.
nation
You
were
see the
against
Kashmir, what
your
has happened.
decision of
And now
playing a
you see the
cricket
change
match
in
when
Kashmir.
the wounds
People
were
of
fresh
Kashmir are with
of
India
all the
now. They
widows
don't like strong pelters.
whose
Okay.
They know
husbands
what is
were
happening, what is good for
murdered.
them. The
Can
Kashmir
I
is
just
part
come
of the
in?
main.
Can I just come in? Tausif, you know, Sam Pitroda says, I've been to
This is
Pakistan,
politics
I
of
felt at
suitability.
home.
When you want to remember the wounds,
Sir,
that is
ma'am,
okay.
loves
ma'am,
Pakistan.
Wounds of
please
He
lower
feels
the
at
phones.
home.
I've been to
40 widows.
Pakistan, I felt at home. I've been to Bangladesh, Nepal, I felt at home. You know, these countries surely don't feel very foreign to Indians. We've all been the same land and same people. The question should go then, why were we partitioned on religious lines to begin with? Why was Nepal, Bangladesh not taken in with India? Anyways, historical lessons. But my question is, cultural similarities can no longer breach the divide, at least within countries like India and Pakistan. I hope you would remember, before Pahalgam, their now Field Marshal Asim Munir himself had gone on record in front of a large gathering of who's who in Pakistan to say Hindus and Muslims cannot live together. He espoused in 2025 the two-nation theory. Now, you don't address that mindset and the issue of terror on Pakistan's side, but some Indians have this fascination that only if India changes its ways, everything will be fine. This is delusion. You can talk about cultural similarities till the cows come home. Pakistanis don't believe in it.
Now, Shivani, whether we take the first step or the other side takes the first step, what really matters is the step has to be taken and the result has to be achieved. You cannot brush aside. Just now you raised a very pertinent question and you're now brushing it aside, that why, if we were one subcontinent, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, why were we partitioned? We were partitioned on the lines of hatred created by British divide and rule. And very sadly, even after independence, this politics of divide and rule continues under BJP and Sangh. Therefore,
So it didn't. One second.
since
Come on.
time immemorial,
From
for any state
1947,
to
you jumped to
achieve-
2011.
Can I come in,
I have
please?
not
Shivani?
finished, Shivangi. I have
No,
not
but
finished. This
from
is unfair.
1947
Let
under
me
British.
give me
This
one
is a
minute.
lie.
I'm giving you all the time.
Give
I've
me
got time.
1 minute uninterrupted.
Lie.
From 1 second, please. Nobody else, please interrupt.
Shivani,
Request
let
you.
me
Now,
come.
from 1947 under British, you have jumped to BJP under BJP rule and RSS. So those 60 years under Congress were what? We fought 3 wars during that time.
Because BJP did not born in 1947. BJP was Sangh then. And Sangh also propagated the same hatred politics which now continues in the form of BJP and RSS. Now, let us address the real issue. What is the issue? If India, for any country, leave only India, for any country to prosper and progress, it has to live in a peaceful environment and it should have a good, peaceful relationship with its neighbors. I want my country to have a peaceful relation and a good relation with my neighbors for my own interest.
So
For
how
the
do you get
interest
there?
of my own country, India, I want it to have a good relation.
And
Now,
how do we
in the
get there?
past 10 years, what we have seen under BJP rule, yes, no, just a second. In the past 10 years, under BJP rule, what we have seen, our friendly nation, Bangladesh, has turned our enemy. In Pakistan, we have already had two conflicts. And Nepal, Sri Lanka, all of them are not in a good terms with us. We only have Bhutan, a so-called city who's
Okay.
called
On Pakistan,
who's the
very
size of a
quickly,
bigger
Tausif, I've
city.
got
We
limited
only
time.
have
On
that our
Pakistan, can you tell me what is it that India hasn't tried that India can do?
Why is blaming India for this?
Tausif?
Yes.
Why are you
What
blaming India?
India can take a mature,
Yeah, I think playing
India can
cricket
take a
match-
mature
Only Tausif,
stand.
please.
These kind of tutu meme is not going to help. What I'm saying is Sam Pitroda's statement is that maybe we should take a step
What
which
step?
will help us improve relation with our
Be
neighbors.
specific,
Let
what
us take
step?
the step with Bangladesh first. First, Yes, I'm giving you. Let us take example Bangladesh. Now,
Don't go to Bangladesh. Stick to Pakistan. We're discussing Pakistan.
Political parties.
Don't go to Bangladesh. Tausif, stick to Pakistan. What step do you want to be taken with
Why
Pakistan for
Bangladesh is
peace?
not Bangladesh is not our neighbor.
Not the biggest problem
We
for us.
speak
Pakistan is
same
a bigger
language,
problem for us.
and yet
No, don't
at least
don't go.
let us start
Don't
by
go to
saying
Pakistan.
this.
Don't go
The
to
first
Bangladesh.
step.
Tell me
Okay,
about
first
Pakistan.
step. Let's talk about Pakistan.
Huh.
Yes, let's talk about Pakistan. In Pakistan is a country where the largest spoken language is Punjabi, and which was born in India, similar to Bangladesh, the
So-
Bangladesh language. At least we can start by at least not spreading hatred. We don't
do you
hate
mean?
people. We may have our
Do you
own
know
interests,
Pakistan
and
has
as long
this
as the
K2? What are you talking about? Are you living in La La Land? Pakistan runs a K2 program where they want to promote Khalistan separatists in India, and you're talking about shared Punjabi language. Delusional, absolutely. Let me give Rohan Gupta the final 30 seconds.
No.
Really
This is
shameful.
the
What
government.
is he
This is
talking?
the BJP.
Only Rohan.
He is blaming India for not having good relation with Pakistan. They will
We've
take
tried
our blood.
everything.
What are you talking? This is really shameful. What is he talking? Why are you blaming India for this thing? In Bangladesh, the whole revolution is based on the religion. How can you blame India? This is your mindset where country never trust you. This is the love of Congress party and so-called independent people that how will people take this narrative?
No, this is
You are
like
justifying Mr.
absolutely
Sam Pitruda's
delusional
statement.
to
How
suggest
can you
that
justify?
Pakistan wants good relationship with India. This is just utter nonsense after 70 years, 75 plus years, if somebody wants to espouse this. Despite knowing the
Absolutely.
kind of trouble they foment, not just
After
in Jammu and
26,
Kashmir, but in
11.
Punjab. You want us to take a step as if we haven't? We've suffered taking steps for 75 years. Lalit, final 30 seconds.
Yes, I just want to abort this. I just want to explore this lie that is being peddled. अंग्रेजों ने हिंदुस्तान का पार्टीशन नहीं किया. It was what you spoke about this Munir, just Field Marshal Munir, what he spoke just before Pahalgam attack. He only repeated what Syed Ahmad Khan had said in 1888 in Meerut. That Hindus and Muslims cannot live together.
As
एक को
one
दूसरे
nation.
के साथ लड़ना पड़ेगा.
He said as one nation we can't live together.
North
Yes.
West से अपने भाइयों को बुलाएंगे, तलवारें निकलेंगी, एक दूसरे को मारेंगे. This is what the lie that, and I'll tell you one thing. Pursuing peace with Pakistan is like chasing mirage. And those who want to have peace with Pakistan, friendship with Pakistan, we should buy crowdfund and
I am
one-way ticket
all-
to all these apologists to Pakistan.
No, I am all for
Pakistan is
peace with
bleeding India.
Pakistan,
My
but
foot, Hindus are
please-
being Hindus are victims of genocide, and Pitrodar finds himself at home in Pakistan. My foot.
No, I am all for
पाकिस्तान
peace
के अंदर
with
हिंदू का
Pakistan.
नरसंहार होता है और सैम पित्रोदा को वहाँ पे
Not
डर
at
लगता है.
cost of
But
डर
the
जैसा लगता है.
onus of
नसीरुद्दीन शाह
peace-
को भी वहाँ पे हिंदुस्तान में डर लगता है, पाकिस्तान में घर जैसा लगता है.
Exactly,
My
but the
God,
onus of
Pakistan
peace
apologists. No
is
wonder
on
Pakistan
Pakistan.
is bleeding India.
It's not on India. After 75 years of
Congress
this
team said
cursed
only
history
Pakistan.
between the
Forget
two
about
countries, you
Pakistan.
cannot
Ignore
claim that
them.
the onus is on
Ignore
India.
them and bleed them the way they have been bleeding us for 40, 70 years.
They feel at home at
Pakistan
Pakistan.
deserves that. Apologies.
This is
to all the
really
Pakistanis.
shameful. Justifying Sam Pitroda's statement today. Univocally, Congress party should have come out and told that we absolutely don't agree. You are justifying his statement. Why will country believe in you? You are talking about Operation Sindoor. You are saying कि आपने युद्ध क्यों नहीं रोका? आपका तो पाकिस्तान प्रेम है. आप क्या युद्ध रोकने की बात कर रहे हैं? आपकी हकीकत देश के सामने नजर आ रही है.
शिवानी,
यासीन मालिक ने जो
आप
कहा,
रोहन के पास
that
जाते
itself
रहेंगे या
will
मुझे
show,
कुछ
the
defend करने
affidavit
का
shows
मौका देंगे?
what was your love for
शिवानी,
terrorists. This is the mindset.
It is
After
the debate
26/11,
is on
you
my
never
leader
took any
and
step.
Rohan Gupta
This
is
is
the
the
one who's
mindset
speaking
because
the
of which
most.
Pakistan had the
And
courage
then
of
what
attacking
kind of-
India again and
what
again.
kind of
There were
one-sided
20 bombs
debate is
because
this?
of this
That you
mindset.
are questioning
Because you
my
never
leader.
trusted. People are
You're
always
questioning my
against you
leader.
because of this mindset. People will
Garima
never
ji,
trust you.
can I come
because
to you?
Pakistan knows that you will not attack them.
One second, can I just come to you, Garima ji?
Pakistan knows
Is
because
it
why
better
did
for Congress to be seen as still batting for quote-unquote talks with Pakistan? It's very confusing. What is Congress government's stance on relationship with Pakistan, or how our diplomacy will be taken forward with Pakistan? It's very confusing. If tomorrow you are to come to power, you're going to open talks with Pakistan, you should tell the public.
Shivani, the back channel talks have been there ever since our independence. You know, what was our Prime Minister Modi doing there in 2015? He had gone for talks only, no? So what if Sardar Manmohan Singh also
Yasin
had
Malik
talks
is not
with
a
them
back
back
channel
then?
talk, man.
Ministry you are
Yasin
talking
Let us
Malik
speak.
is
Don't
not a back
interrupt
Gentlemen,
channel
one
talk.
second, please, let us
I
speak.
didn't do that.
Manmohan Singh.
See if BJP was so strong on terror, why did the Pulwama attack happen under their watch despite clear intelligence input? Don't you forget the Satpal Malik version of what BJP did at that time when he was the governor of JNK? So let me tell you, Shivani, if you want to be confused, then nobody can stop you. And I like the way you were angry at Tawfiq. And I wish you would be angry the day we played cricket match with Pakistan, because I see.
Ma'am, I
people
asked
full
you a
of hatred for
question. You didn't
Pakistan.
answer my
Even
question.
I'm full of hatred for Pakistan. But while having match,
I don't
you
have
are justifying
I don't
the
have
Modi government
hatred
for
for
taking that
Pakistan.
decision.
Pakistan
I'm
deserve,
sorry
doesn't
to say,
deserve my hate. Ma'am, I asked you a question
whenever
though.
you want to pick up Pakistan.
Garima ji, I
for
asked you
playing
a
as
question
partner,
though.
you want
Don't
to
tell
have-
me about back channel talks that used to happen. I asked you a question. Tomorrow, if you were to come to power in the national capital, you will be opening talks with Pakistan or not?
Everybody does. That is what we are saying. We try everything.
Yes.
It's a hit and try method which will fit in. I mean, every government has tried that.
Yes, but for the last 10 years, we haven't had talks with them.
From Atal Bihari Vajpayee to Sardar Manmohan Singh to Narendra Modi, everybody has been doing the same.
But ma'am, for the
What
last
was
10
the-
years, we
I
haven't
asked
had
Rohan Gupta what was
we
Rakesh
haven't had
Wadhwani
diplomatic
doing at
talks
Jinnah
with
Bazaar?
Pakistan for the
Or
last
was
10
it a
years.
Teerth Yatra
Today,
of some
India's
kind?
policy is that terror and talks will not go hand in hand. For the last
But
10 years, we've
cricket
not
match
had
will go.
diplomatic level
Yeah,
talks. Does
खून
the
और
Congress
पानी साथ
believe
नहीं
that
बह
policy
सकते.
should
We heard
change?
that. Shivani, we heard that. खून और पानी साथ नहीं बह सकते. But then we saw the cricket match. So our wounds were again fresh. This is actually, confusing the whole country. BJP is confused with what they want
Okay.
to do.
Rohan, please respond to that.
90% of the country
Shivani,
was
this is the
against
problem.
this wish
On
of playing
national
the cricket
TV,
match with
they are talking कि
Pakistan
अपने
when we
मैच
have
को खिला वही
recently
पाकिस्तान के
lost
साथ खड़े
40 people.
आज they are openly
40
One by
saying
one,
that they are
please.
believing talks with Pakistan even after Pahalgam, even after
I
seeing
think-
what
I
Munir
think
thinks of
Sam
India.
Pitroda
What
is-
are you talking about? Why will country believe you? You are still loving Pakistan. This is your ilu with Pakistan.
not loving
Where all over the
Pakistan,
media
but
in
Modi ji-
Pakistan, your
but
leaders are the
Modi ji
hero.
who went with
You
Shabaaz
ask the same
Nawaz
question at
Sharif's
what
mother.
Pakistan has asked.
Listen,
Why will
it was
people
not
believe you?
our love lost
This
for
is the
Pakistan,
mindset,
it
this
was
is the
Narendra
policy
Modi
because
who
of which
gifted a
Pakistan had
photo.
courage to
Nawaz
attack
Sharif's
India
mother
again and
had
again.
biryani
This
over
is the
there.
only reason why Pakistan
And
had that
please
more than
go and
20
see-
terrorist
please
attacks
go
on
and
India
see the
because they
agenda
knew
of my leader,
under
of
Congress
my
party,
chairman, Farooq
India will
Shah,
never
where he-
reciprocate.
where
This is
Rohan,
the first
Rohan,
time
Rohan,
हमने
Rohan,
बोला है,
Rohan.
घर में घुस के
Please
मारेंगे.
respond to the
अब
question
पाकिस्तान
she
की हिम्मत
asked.
नहीं होगी.
Please answer the question she asked, which is that you've had such a strong policy against Pakistan. I don't think anybody can take that away from you. It is different from what used to transpire. But you still went ahead and played cricket with Pakistan. What was the need?
I will give one example, Shivani. She's talking about cricket. After 26/11, 2008, in 2009, in June, they have played the match with Pakistan, at that touring. Why they are not answering
But why
this?
did you
They are
play
raising
sad?
this point today. I have
Why
to
did you
counter
play
this
sad?
because if you are mixing two things, you have to see the history, what you have done in 2009. I am
Okay.
giving you the date, 3rd June 2009, India-Pakistan T20 match. What are they talking about?
No, but
I
you
tell
are
this
different
politics
from them, na?
is
That is what they are alleging. I think Lalit is also
It's not about-
Lalit is also saying the same thing. Okay, can everybody not speak at the same time? I would really appreciate that. One second.
I have the 4 answers.
I'll leave it at that. I have to leave it at that. I've run out of time. I do thank our guests for joining us.